Greetings, my name's Damien Hoffman and I've been selling on Amazon since 2017. I was able to hit six figures my first year selling on Amazon while being on active duty military. I made this course because I was frustrated with all the other courses I took. I've taken most of the popular Amazon courses out there because I was always in search of more knowledge and I wanted to ensure I knew everything there was to know about Amazon wholesale. All the courses I took were pretty good courses, but they are all more or less the same, and most of them were watered down with unnecessary content that was either a waste of time or just made things more confusing than they needed to be. Also, a lot of them did not do a very good job of simplifying things and breaking the videos down into easily digestible content. So, after spending thousands of dollars on courses, I took everything I learned from them and my own experience from selling on Amazon and launched my own course. My whole goal was to simplify things and break them down so anyone could understand them regardless of age or experience. This course will take you from beginner to expert with easy to follow step-by-step videos and equip you with everything you need to become a 6 to 7 figure Amazon seller. As you can see here, I originally launched my course on Udemy and achieved a 4.6 star rating with over 170 reviews. I have since taken the course off of Udemy and updated and improved it even more. So let's get started and take a look at some of the reviews. Now keep in mind this is the old course. So as you can see here, I had a 4.63 star review on Udemy, and here are more statistics that Udemy actually looks at. So the first one is, are you learning valuable information? I had a 98%, 65 responses, 64 said yes, 1 said no. Are the explanations of concepts clear? 98%, 62 said yes, 1 said no. Is the instructor's delivery engaging? 55 said yes, 3 said no. I've looked at all the reviews and comments and upgraded the course to address any of these issues. Are there enough opportunities to apply what you're learning? 100%. 55 people said yes, 0 no. Is the course delivering on your expectations? 59 responses, 55 said yes, 4 said no. Again, I've read all the reviews, all the comments, and addressed any concerns, so now the course is even better than it was before. Is the instructor knowledgeable about this topic? 62 said yes, 0 people said no. And then if you scroll down here, you can see all the reviews and comments. And there's over 170 comments. I had over 3,000 students on Udemy. Here's 18 pages worth. And although most of the comments were mostly positive, I used any feedback to make sure the updated course is even better than it was before, and I addressed any questions or concerns people might have had. I just wanted to say I spent countless hours making sure this is the best course available, and I'm confident you'll love it or your money back guaranteed. Thank you.